All right, we are doing, by saying we, I mean me. It's Friday, and there was a plan this week for me to get through all of the projects we've got going and do live so you guys can see where we're at. This is my second one I've made it to this week. So this is the Hopkins house. We're gonna step inside and we're gonna walk through, and I'm gonna show you guys what we've been up to. So this is a project we purchased. It was from a homeowner who had it as a rental, and we are through demo right now. We are working on the plumbing, the rough-in part of that, and getting that inspected. You guys can see right here, there was the wall that we took out, and we put in this new beam for support, structural support. This is the front of the living room. So this will be the kitchen right here. We're gonna have cabinets over there, and then back here, this is an addition that was put on the house prior to us purchasing it. But you can see back here, this is where we're gonna have another sitting area for living space. We're also gonna use this as part of the dining room and do something fun with this closet, kind of mudroom-like. And we're also going to be adding, I don't know if you guys can see, up in the front we've got the original hardwood floors. So one of the things that we like to do with our projects is to make sure that we've got the same flooring running all the way through. It makes a big difference. So we're gonna add some oak in to these areas as well and have it all sanded and stained to match. So that's pretty much where we're at with those spaces. There's a couple of bedrooms over here. We're not doing much different with those. Here's the bathroom right now. You can see we've got a new tub in, and we've got all these new water lines. Anytime you're opening up walls and renovating bathrooms like this, all of that needs to be brought up to code as well. So there's the second bedroom here. We're gonna head upstairs. This is actually where we're gonna see the biggest changes. Actually, the fact that the carpet's gone here is really good because it was not very effective. All right, so there was a bathroom here. We're gonna be making that a master bathroom now. So the entrance to that is actually gonna be around this corner. So you can see here, kind of had to reconfigure. So this is the master bathroom now. And this was actually a space, oops, I tripped. This is actually a space that was locked and we couldn't get in to see it before we bought the house. So we kind of took a gamble that this was gonna work out. And we were fortunate that it did. So I don't always recommend that though. So here's the shower drain. You can see that right there. And then the vanity is going to be over here. We're going to put a double vanity in. There's all the water lines and the plumbing. So that'll be a wall. We'll close that off completely. And the access to this bathroom will be through this master bedroom. So this whole second level of this house will be master suite. And then this, you can see we've got the framing in right here. This is going to be the master closet. So that'll be a really nice size. It's almost the same size as a bedroom, which is a huge benefit. So this neighborhood doesn't tend to have very large houses. This house is one of the largest, and it's also gonna have 4 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms, which is also not typical for this neighborhood. So now we're gonna head downstairs. I don't know if we have no light, so. Okay. So this was already finished, but we've had to make some changes with the drywall. We're adding a bedroom right here. So you can see we've got the framing in. We've got the egress window that was existing, so that was great. And then we're adding a bathroom all the way back in this corner here. So you can see there's the shower, and the pan is installed right now. We're gonna have a vanity over here. So with all of these spaces ready, as far as framing goes. Next is going to be drywall installation. And also we're going to be making all the design choices for tile, paint colors, all of that good stuff. So over here we've got a laundry room. We're doing a mud room in here as well because this door right here is actually to the tuck under garage. So if you were going to park in the garage, you would come right in this door. There's all our drywall ready to install. And then you're going to have the washer dryer. We're going to do a bench with hooks. There's your mechanicals. So we've got a lot going on here. And these are all spaces that are going to be finished and ready for a homeowner to enjoy. So if you watch the video, let me know what you think about the spaces. If you have any favorite design choices that you've seen us use in other houses that you think would be great, I'd love to hear what you think. Have a great day and have a great weekend.